So, why do we resist having a clear plan? Why does fidelity sound hard or scary? Is it really? I'm going to tell you what I experienced. For a long time, I resisted following a plan. I just wanted my eating to be flexible and normal. I liked the idea of tuning into what I felt like eating. I thought that seemed more natural and more evolved. But what I didn't realize at the time was it was vague. I was constantly having to try to figure things out. Should I eat now? Have I had enough to eat? Am I eating too much? I was second guessing myself all the time, and it was exhausting.